Storm damage can be overwhelming for any homeowner. High winds, heavy rain, and unexpected impacts can leave your roof and home vulnerable, often requiring immediate attention. That's why working with a reliable contractor is essential. C&G Remodeling and Roofing has built a reputation for handling storm damage repairs efficiently, helping homeowners restore safety, comfort, and peace of mind as quickly as possible. One of the first ways C&G Remodeling and Roofing ensures efficiency is through a fast response. After a storm, time is critical. Delaying repairs can lead to further damage, such as water intrusion or structural issues. Their team prioritizes quick scheduling and prompt arrival, allowing homeowners to address problems before they escalate. This proactive approach helps minimize long-term repair costs and protects the integrity of the home. A thorough inspection is the next step in their process. Storm damage isn't always visible from the ground, and small issues can easily be overlooked. C&G Remodeling and Roofing conducts detailed assessments of the roof, exterior, and surrounding areas to identify all affected components. From missing shingles and leaks to hidden structural concerns, their comprehensive evaluation ensures nothing is missed. Clear communication is another key part of their efficient process. Homeowners are guided through the findings in a straightforward and easy-to-understand way. Instead of overwhelming you with technical details, they explain what needs to be repaired, why it matters, and what the next steps will be. This transparency helps homeowners feel confident in the decisions they're making. C&G Remodeling and Roofing also streamlines the repair process by creating a clear plan of action. Once the damage is assessed, they outline the scope of work, timeline, and materials needed. Having a structured plan reduces delays and keeps the project organized from start to finish. Homeowners know what to expect at each stage, which eliminates uncertainty and keeps everything moving efficiently. Another major advantage is their experience with a wide range of storm-related issues. Whether it's roof damage, siding concerns, or water intrusion, their team is equipped to handle different types of repairs. This versatility means you don't need to coordinate with multiple contractors. Instead, you can rely on one team to manage the entire process, saving time and effort. Efficiency also comes from using high-quality materials and proven techniques. Quick repairs are important, but lasting results matter just as much. C&G Remodeling and Roofing focuses on solutions that not only fix the immediate problem but also strengthen your home against future storms. This reduces the likelihood of repeat issues and provides long-term protection. Coordination plays a big role in keeping repairs on schedule. Their team manages logistics, materials, and labor to ensure everything runs smoothly. By handling these details internally, they avoid unnecessary delays and maintain consistent progress. This organized approach helps complete repairs in a timely manner without sacrificing quality. Safety is another priority throughout the process. Storm-damaged areas can pose risks, and professional crews are trained to work safely while protecting your property. From securing loose materials to preventing further exposure, every step is taken with care. This attention to safety ensures that both the home and its occupants remain protected during repairs. Cleanup and final inspection are also handled efficiently. Once the work is complete, the team ensures that debris is removed and the area is left clean and orderly. A final walkthrough confirms that all repairs meet quality standards and that the home is fully restored. This step provides homeowners with confidence that the job has been done right. Customer support doesn't end when the project is finished. C&G Remodeling and Roofing remains available to answer questions and provide guidance on maintaining your home after repairs. This ongoing support helps homeowners feel secure and informed long after the storm has passed. In the end, C&G C&G Remodeling and Roofing handles storm damage repairs efficiently by combining quick response times, thorough inspections, clear communication, and organized execution. Their focus on both speed and quality ensures that homeowners can recover from storm damage with minimal stress. By choosing an experienced and reliable team, you can restore your home quickly and confidently, knowing it's built to withstand whatever comes next.